In this video, we will talk about how unhealthy food addiction or junk food addiction is worse than smoking or drug or alcohol addiction. First, we have to realize that when we talk about alcohol addiction or drugs or cigarette addiction, we kind of know in ourselves that it is bad. Our inside acknowledges that this is bad, this is damaging our health, but we kind of fight with ourselves inside and lie to ourselves or justify to ourselves that it's all right, nothing is going to happen. But why the food addiction is worse is because we are convinced from childhood, we are brainwashed that it's actually healthy for you. And we think that we are eating something healthy, it's going to give us health, we're going to thrive, our body's going to be happy, but it's wrong. Actually, you're hurting your organs. But because you are convinced, so you are willingly hurting your body. And you keep doing it for years and years and years until your body starts showing signs of damage in the form of diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, Alzheimer's, arthritis, many which can be simply avoided by eating healthy food, changing diet. So that's the first thing that makes it worse than other addictions. The second thing is, just like if an alcoholic is not given alcohol or a smoker is not given cigarette, he feels very uncomfortable. It gets very frustrating for the person. It's very similar to food addiction. Once you start changing your diet, you will realize that how addicted you are, because whenever you are hungry and you crave for some special kind of food like junk food and you can't eat it, you can't get it, you start getting angry. It annoys you, it stresses you out. Sometimes you realize it, some people realize it, some people don't realize it, but either the effects are same as of any other addiction. So that's why junk food addiction is worse, because it's making you uncomfortable, it's making you frustrated, it's affecting your psychology without you realizing it. The other thing people think is, oh, it's just because I'm hungry, so I need to eat that. Or I'm craving for such and such food just because I'm hungry. That's not the case. Even when you are craving for anything, you're basically hungry. A lot of people don't realize it and they think that, oh, the craving is specific. But once you fill your tummy, once you fill your stomach with food, healthy food, you will realize that you stop craving for that thing. It's just that your brain is telling to put something in the stomach and you think that it's just the specific junk food that you want to eat, the flavor you want to have. So these are the things that makes the junk food addiction worse than other addictions. Same as I mentioned before, you legitimize food addiction, you think that it's healthy for you. I can give you many examples. For example, we have been told since childhood that cow milk is good for you because it strengthens the bone, because it has calcium, which is a big fat lie. And when you stop eating milk products, you will see that how much used to you were of dairy products and how it frustrates you when you can't eat them. Same is with caffeine. A lot of people think that caffeine is good for you. They are convinced that it sharpens the brain and it's good for your kidneys and blah blah blah. But we all know that once you stop taking caffeine doses in any shape or form, like coffee or pre-workouts or energy drinks, some people start getting headaches and they get really angry and hyperactive just because they are not getting the dose of that daily caffeine they are putting in their body. So you can imagine how addictive it can be. Same is with refined sugar. Some people need that sugar buzz in the morning just to wake up, just like coffee. And once they can't get it, it upsets them, it frustrates them. And as I said before, you demonize alcohol addiction, you demonize smoking, or drug addiction inside you, I'm talking to your inner self, that once you talk to your inner self, you know that this is bad. But when it comes to food addiction, you kind of legitimize it. You think that, oh, it's all right, it's healthy for the body, but it's not. So that's why, in my opinion, food addiction is worse than other addictions, and it should be taken seriously if you really want to improve your health and mental condition. Thank you.